Hi guys, Upasana here. Welcome back to my channel and those who are new. Hi, I'm Upasana. I make videos related to Korea like K-pop songs cover, dance cover, reaction video, food and vlogs. So guys, today I'm going to reacting on Ateez and it's more like a collaboration in between Kim, Jungkook and Ateez. It's more like a summer song I guess because I saw the teaser and the teaser photos. It's more like the summer song and I saw Kim Jungkook in their like the Black Cat Nero that video I guess. So I'm really excited to see this. So because of course it's Ateez and they are one of my ultimates, so I'm really excited. So before we get started, please subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, link in the description box. So now let's start. Okay, so the song name is Bada Boro Galle. It's more like will you go to the beach or go to see the beach, something like that. So obviously it's more like summer song I guess, and I also reacted on other MVs of Ateez. If you guys want to check that out, I will put link in the description box after this video. You guys can go and check that out. So now let's start. Wow, sunny side. So Kim Jungkook obviously. I think I heard some OST of him, but I can't remember right now. But yeah, really good voice. And this is looks so blue, like the ocean, so fresh, like blue sky, blue ocean. Whoa! Pool party! This is fun! Whoa! They look so gorgeous. Why they're looking like that? Like they're gonna fight or something. Oh, Busan. And Ming is back, guys. Ming is back. Whoa! And Song also rapping. This is really good. I really like this song. I wanna dance, really dance, wanna dance this song. Is this a challenge or something already? Whoa, the shoulder. So now there are 3 rappers. This is so joyful, like fun with your friends. Yes. Sunny, beautiful day. Let's go to the sea, let's go to the beach and have fun. This is automatically lit your mood. Whoa! Songha. Why the Songha is my bias actually in Ateez? Oh! Okay, you guys know what I wanna mean. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, so cute. Pada boro kalle season songs. Obviously, this is only the summer song and it's finished. And this is so cute, beautiful, fresh. Let's go to the beach. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video or more video, then subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Link in the description box. So see you in my next video. Bye.